Let's understand together the behavior of React state, how we get the updated value after updating state, and why this is the right method of updating state. This is a counter application, and on clicking button it's gonna update the state by 1 and it will print value on the console. Let's click on the button. As we can see here, the value is updated by 1 and it's showing me on the button, but we get the value 0 on the console. And why it's happening? I hope you got the answer. That the behavior of the state is asynchronous. And we can make this behavior synchronous using flushsync higher order function provided by React DOM. But this is not recommended because it hurts the performance and also it updates the DOM immediately, which is very expensive task. Then how we get the updated value on the console? And you all know the answer, that is lifecycle method. Here you can see that this is a use effect and I passed here dependency, that is count. Whenever we click on this button, it's gonna increase by 1 and it will print value on the console. Let's see the result again. As you can see, on clicking it shows me value 1 on the console. So this is the right method. Now let's see why this is the right method of updating state. Here I taken an example. I wrote set count 3 times and let's see the result now. On clicking we can see here it's updated and the value is 3, but if we calculate then it's gonna be 6. So this is the problem when we update through this method. Here what is happening, due to the asynchronous nature of state, its value is 0 here for all the set count function. Let's see the behavior again. On clicking button, here we get the updated value, that is 2, and this is happening because it patches together and runs only the last one. Now let's see the right method. Again I taken an example. Now let's see the result, and on clicking we get the expected result, that is 6. Now let's see what is happening here. So here it's taking the previous value, that is 0, and it's adding that value here and the result is 1. Now the value is 1, and once the line is completed the value is 3, and in this way we get the final result, that is 6. So I hope you got the answer that why this is the right method of writing. Also let's see the result again. On clicking we get the result 3 because 0 plus 1 is 1 and then 1 plus 2 is 3. If you learned something new then comment down what you learned and also like this video.